Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my channel Chic Stylish Style. I'm Seema and today in this video I'm going to share you magenta monotone makeup look. For this makeup I'm starting with color correcting my face over my hyperpigmented region, chin, forehead, and to cover the dark spots. Let the concealer to set. Meanwhile, I applied concealer over my eyelid as a primer. Primer I'm using is of POpfeel shade number 2. Afterward, taking this hilary Rhoda palette, taking this magenta color using a small blending blush, applying it over my lid. For transition shade, taking this orange shade, apply it above crease line and blend both the shadows seamlessly. Taking this pen liner from Faces Canada, I created cat eyeliner. Creating V shape at inner corners of eye to give elongated eye look. Line my waterline with this Maybelline white pencil, then apply a coat of mascara. The mascara I am using today is of Faces Canada. Completing my face makeup with foundation. Foundation I am using is of Wet n Wild in shade Toffee Peccan. And for highlighting my face with concealer of Maybelline Fit Me in shade Caramel for brightening up my face. All the product I use in this video is listed down in the description box. For setting the concealer using this loose powder from Sivanna, I am applying over the concealer. For blusher and highlighter, I am using Sugar Cosmetic. Apply blusher over your cheeks and nose and highlighter over your high point of the face, cheekbones, tip of the nose and cupid bows and chin. For finalizing the look, I am applying lipstick in shade Hot Plum of Faces Canada. Apply the highlighter over your brow bone and inner corner of the eye. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Take care and thanks for watching. Bye.